Oh, we're good. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. You know, we do a lot of things here. We cook things, we eat spicy things, we talk about the things we love and the things we want to crush. But once in a while, I like to take a slightly more serious approach to things happening in the food industry, and I open it up to you, the people out there, in a little series we like to call Ask Matt. So this one's very specific, and it's about an event that I'm partnering up with the organizers with, and there's always a lot of questions that come out of this event. So we thought, what better way to answer questions than do an Ask Matt. So this is Ask Matt, everything you need to know about what's June's Eatery. When and where is this dinner? This is what I would be asking to. March 3rd, 4th, 5th, 2020, so this year, in Toronto at 5 Brock Avenue, which is a Queen and Dufferin area. It's in a beautiful art space, high ceilings, brick walls, gonna be family style tables, so big communal tables, wine and beer, I think about 4 or 5 courses of food. What is June's Eatery? Why am I doing it? I was approached to be the chef who helps lead the team of HIV positive cooks into this journey of a 3-night pop-up restaurant. So it was 3 nights, all family style. And the idea of family style was we wanted people to like very literally break bread and communicate with everyone at the table and understand why they were there tonight. And I think family style allows you to do that because you're sharing a plate of food versus looking down at your table. And what was amazing about June's the first time around was the local press, national press, and international press. It was everything from BBC to Toronto Life and everything in between. We had bloggers and Instagrammers, then we had mainstream media all covering this event because it was the first of its kind ever. This interest level, this positive interest level, so focused on these chefs and the courage that they had to just put themselves out there internationally and be very open about everything they were going through. It's pretty fantastic. Although we had, international coverage and love from around the world, there was still a little bit of that negativity. Allowing people to ask questions is a good opportunity to kind of address some things. What happens if one of the HIV positive chefs cut themselves in the kitchen? Great question. My response to that is, what do you think I would do? Definitely still wouldn't serve the plate of food that has my blood in it, regardless of that. We would treat the wound, discard the plate, sanitize the area, and determine whether or not the chef could continue working or not. And that's it. Because you cannot contract HIV that way. It's just not a thing. It's just not a thing. Someone asked me if I was HIV positive because I'm participating. I guess we have to look at the root of the question being within the context of the June's HIV positive pop-up dinner. It's none of your business. It's my right, it's everyone's right within the context of what we're talking about to disclose whether or not they're HIV positive. I don't think you necessarily have to be something to support it. I think it's an amazing cause. I think the organization is phenomenal. The people I've met along the way are absolutely amazing, and they are tireless in the work they do, and I'm so excited to be involved with it. Will I be cooking all 3 nights? Because there are multiple nights to choose from. So yes, I will be there all 3 nights. There will be kind of like 4 to 5 members of my team there as well, and then a range of 12 to 15 members of Casey House, kind of swapping in and out throughout the different evenings, helping out. Some of them will be front of house, some of them will be back of house, but the goal was to kind of make the evening a lot more engaging. I think one of the pieces of feedback we got in the first time of doing June's is that the guests of the dinner, although loved everything, didn't get a chance to like really meet and talk with the members of Casey House that were involved. So we're trying to free it up so that everyone can kind of move around a little more. I've tried to buy tickets and I couldn't find them on the website. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Or if you go to my Instagram page, the link is in the bio. So you have it, folks. Ask Matt all about June's pop-up eatery happening March 3rd to 5th in Toronto. One of a kind in the world. Only ones that ever do it. And it's gonna be a fantastic night and Can't wait to have you. So if you're in the city, love to see you there. If you're not in the city, obviously just fly in. That's not a big deal. Or FaceTime me. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the video, leave them in the comments. Okay, see you at the video.